All right, and moving on, the preliminary probe report into the Air India plane crash has brought the focus on the behavior of its engine fuel switch. So, what is an engine fuel switch? And what role did it play in the crash of the Air India Flight 171 that crashed in Ahmedabad? Well, fuel switches play a critical role in regulating fuel flow to the plane's engines. Pilots use them to start or shut down engines on the ground or to manually restart engines if an engine failure occurs during a flight. Now, they are located below the thrust levers and they are spring located to remain in position. If moved to cut off, engine power is immediately cut off. Aviation experts believe that pilots are very unlikely to accidentally move the fuel switches. As per the initial probe report by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau in the Ahmedabad crash, fuel to both engines appears to have been cut off second after the flight took off. Now, as per the cockpit voice recordings mentioned in the report, one pilot could be heard asking the other pilot as to why did he cut off the fuel. The other pilot responded that he did not do so. According to the report, to change one from run to cut off, a pilot has to first pull the switch up and then move it from run to cut off or vice versa. But in the case of the Air India Flight 171, the flight recorder revealed that a few seconds after takeoff, switches for both engines transitioned from cut off from run one after another with a time gap of 1 second, resulting in the tragedy. According to Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, also revealed air traffic control recording data. At 7:46 UCT, the plane's startup was approved. The ATC then asked the aircraft if it required the full length of the runway. The plane then confirmed it wanted the full length of the runway. At 8:02, the ATC transferred the plane from ground to tower control before departure. Then after takeoff at 8:09, the aircraft made a mayday call indicating an emergency situation. Shortly after the last call, the plane crashed. And for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Exactly a month after a 15-page preliminary report has been released on the Ahmedabad's Air India plane crash incident which killed 260 people, and the report highlights about what happened in the final moments before the crash. First and foremost, right after the flight took off, the report highlights that how there was a fuel switch transition, a rapid transition of the fuel switches from the run mode to cut-off mode. And that is how the fuel supply to both the engines were cut off and the aircraft started to lose its altitude and it crashed to the ground seconds after the aircraft took off. So these are some important details that have come to light. Second most important detail is the fact that more cockpit conversations are also being analyzed to understand what was the conversation that happened between the pilot and the co-pilot, because the report mentions only two statements that they could hear. One pilot immediately asking another pilot that why did you cut off, and the second pilot, who nobody has been identified as to which was the one who said that statement, but the second pilot immediately said that he did not do so. So of course this theory is also being worked upon. Secondly, now more cockpit conversations, more technical parameters are being analyzed and examined as to ascertain the exact major cause that led to the crash, and this report needs to be submitted within the 3 months' time. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.